I, Namtebi Pavin, take you Bukenya Poa to be my lawfully wedded husband until death do us apart.
Mother, are you alright?
Yes, I'm okay. That was going to be one hell of a disaster.
What is going on here?
Let me hope that Mr. Paul didn't misunderstand the situation.
What's there to misunderstand? Were you drinking the whole night?
I am an adult. You should have slept and enjoyed your sleep.
So you were busy enjoying yourself, as I was here having a sleepless night, right?
Do you know that the man is married?
I just met him a few weeks earlier and he seems to be rich.
Omukazi gwe weeyimbamu si mwangu.
Kati ddyo ndikola nti.
Ogenda yimiya wali mu mulyango. Omanse what?
Are you two going to sleep on my marital bed?
Are you trying to undermine my authority in this house?
It's the ring that is making you brag and feel yourself to the moon and back.
Paul is my husband, and you can have him temporarily, but you can never have him permanently. I call upon your blood, Father, send your angels to cover us into their wings, Heavenly